same exercise. Because
again?
yeah, again, she tried to understand and also remember what we did. Because by this way, I want to you know,
Because she did it that night.
Yeah.
Right after the class, she did them all.
Okay, very good.
Yeah. And she got them all correct.
Oh, very good, very good, very good.
So I was thinking, is like, do you want me to give her again or don't give her again?
Give her again. That's by that one. Give she confident. Like she can do that first, correct? Then she will feel more confident. But actually,
So okay, so she went through the chapter 4 a little bit.
Yeah.
So she went to chapter 4 a little bit. So what part that she's actually mostly stuck on is 4.6 and 4.7.
4.6 and 4.7. Let's see.
Yeah.
Let's start from here. 6.
4.6 and 4.7.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Let's do this.
She knows how to do the division fraction and multiplication fraction. She knows how to do that.
Oh, okay. So, Arisha, now say compare the fractions. Do you know how to compare these two fractions? 3 over 5 and 4 over 5.
Yes. Maybe. Maybe not.
How to compare? So that means which one's greater? 3 over 5 and 4 over 5.
4 over 5.
Why?
This is 3.
Mm-hmm.
And this is 4.
Very good. Exactly. Yeah. Then you're right. Now, say this one you draw the picture to help understand, right? And another, if we just consider the numbers, then you can say these two fractions, they have the same denominator, 5.
Oh, this will be? Okay, you could divide it. No.
You can divide it, but convert each one to a decimal, right? But here, let's try to see what is the simplest way. You know, these two fractions, they have the same denominator, 5, right? Then when the denominator is same, to compare which one is greater, you can just use their numerator. The numerator greater than that fraction will greater if they're all positive, okay? Say you can say 3 is less than 4. So therefore, 3 over 5 is less than 4 over 5. Okay? Because these two fractions, they have the same denominator. Okay? Now, if the two fractions, one is, let me change this one, it's negative. Negative 3 over 5. This one is 4 over 5. Now, which one's bigger? Okay, this one definitely the positive fraction always greater than negative fraction. You're right. You don't need to consider if the denominator is same or whatever. Just write positive fraction is greater than negative fraction. Okay. Now, if I write two negative fractions, like negative 3 over 5 and negative 4 over 5, which one is greater? Why?
Because it comes before? Wait. I mean, negative 4 over 5 is this? And this comes negative 4 over 5.
You think why do you think this one's greater?
Because -4 is over here and -3 is over here. Oh, but positives are greater than negative. It's -3?
Right, this one's bigger. If all they're negative, the smaller one, the absolute value, there, if say 3 over 5 less than 4 over 5, right? But if you add a negative to front of here, add a negative to here, this one will be greater. You know why? Actually, when we compare the size of each number, actually, that we need to check where is the location of that number on the number assets. You can say, suppose here it's 3 over 5. Here it's 4 over 5. Then 4 over 5 is on the right side of 3 over 5, right? This one on the right side of 3 over 5. Therefore, 4 over 5 greater than 3 over 5. So in the number line, any number on the right side is greater than any number on the left side. You say 3 over 5 and 4 over 5. 3 over 5 on the left side of 4 over 5. Therefore, 3 over 5 less than 4 over 5. 4 over 5 is on the right side of 3 over 5. Therefore, 4 over 5 greater than 3 over 5. So can you draw where it's negative 3 over 5 and where is negative 4 over 5?
-3, 5.
Right. See, then you can say negative 3 over 5 on the right side of negative 4 over 5. Therefore, negative 3 over 5 is greater than negative 4 over 5. Okay? This one is very important. Okay? If you understand this one, then you learn a lot. Now, let's see. Can you read problem 4.35?
Oh, in this problem, we can determine which is greater. D over 5.
Why?
Yes, 3 times 10 equals 30. Oh, and this got the greater side number. 7
Right.
over 10. Sorry.
Yeah, 7 over 10 is greater, right? When this, if their denominator is not same, then you can do cross multiplication. 3 times 10, that's 30. Write down on that, right on the top of that fraction.
That's what I did.
Yeah, this one's 35. Because 35 is greater than 30, therefore this number is greater than this one. Okay, very good. Now, say A, what fraction with the denominator 10 is equals to 3 over 5? Can you answer this one? Which fraction with denominator 10 is equals to 3 over 5?
Wait. So, wait a minute. 30. Mm.
See, this one you can write, yeah, you do this way. Say 3 over 5. We try to convert this one to the 10. So that means here you need times 2. Then to keep this fraction have the same value, you also need times 2 here. So 5 times 2 equals 10, right? 3 times 2 equals what?
6.
Yes. So that means 6 over 10 equals 3 over 5. Right? So that means this fraction, we can convert this one to 6 over 10. Now,
What fraction with the with the 10 is the denominator?
yeah, use 10 as a denominator.
So it would be 10 over here.
Yeah.
Oh, and this is 3 over 5. And that's 30. And that's 6.
Yeah, you can write this one 6 over 10. Now 6 over 10 compare with 7 over 10. Because 3 over 5 equals 6 over 10. Then compare with 7 over 10. So you already learned if these two fractions have the same denominator, then the larger numerator will greater than smaller numerator, right? So that means 7 over 10 is greater than 6 over 10. 6 over 10 equals 3 over 5. So that means this one is greater than this, okay? Very good. Now let's go to next one. Problem 4.36. Can you read this A?
Which is greater, 5 over 7 or 8 over 11? 8 over 11.
Correct.
Can I just go with the Never mind.
Yeah, you just do this cross multiplication. 5 times 11, that's 55. 7 times 8, that's 56.
But, oh, that was, okay, yeah. Okay.
Yeah, 56 greater than 55. Therefore, 8 over 11 greater than 5 over 7. Correct. Very good. This one's very good. Now, can you compare these two fractions? Which one is bigger?
Mr. Yang,
Yes.
do you remember in the HGM that you were showing her that when it says which one of the fraction is the greater, and then they gave you multiple choices?
Yes, I remember. I remember that. Yes.
Can you show her that one too?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Actually, here the skill we're using that she learned that one before. Remember, now she is already familiar use cross multiplication.
The cross one, yeah.
As well.
Yeah.
Yeah, she did it at the school as well. But there is another one that you did in HGM.
Times 2.
It says that which one of these are the greater, and then they give you like 1 over 2, 3 over A, 1 over 2, the
Yeah.
B, 3 over 4, 6, C, 4 over
Yeah.
6 or something like that.
Right. We'll have that cutout problem later. Yeah. So now let's she familiar this one.
Yeah.
Okay. Don't worry about this. So then now let's say 4.37. Which one's greater? Yeah, correct. But say, Arisha, actually this one you don't need do the cross multiplication. You can say this one is greater immediately. Yeah, now say numerator is same, right? Then the denominator is smaller, that will be greater. Okay, if they're all positive, say they all have the same numerator 2, then denominator, this one's 5, this one's 7, so 5 over 2 is greater than 2 over 7. 2 over 5 is greater than 2 over 7. Now, negative numbers. 38. Can you say these two, which one is greater?
Oh, the denominator is not this.
Denominator is not the same. Numerator also not the same. Then remember, we can use convert which one is greater than 1, which one is less than 1, use that one.
Okay. I think it's this because this is less than this and it's also less than that.
So then these two fractions, which one is bigger?
Negative 17 over 40.
Why?
Because this is less than this when in negatives that's greater, and this is less than this and in negatives that's greater.
That's not enough reason. You can do this, convert each one to a improper fraction. Can you write this one as a proper and as a mixed number? Can you write this one as a mixed number? Also write this one as a mixed number. Mixed number.
Write it
as a mixed number. Can you write these two as mixed numbers?
I don't
remember mixed number.
Do division. Do division.
Yeah. Over. Oh wait, I have to divide them.
Yeah, use 14 divided 17. Then you can write. Then you can write this one as a mixed number, right? So that means here you can write this one equals 1 negative